As one Kia's longest-running nameplates, the Sportage is unchanged for 2022, but maintains its cutting-edge design, capability, and convenience. New this year, the LX Value Edition package adds 18 inches. Dark gray wheel, smart key with push-button start and heated front seats. The Nightfall Edition also replaces the S trim as a standalone package, and the panoramic sunroof is now standard on the EX trim. The EX Tech Package and SX Turbo are equipped with new complementary map updates including new points of interest and ADAS features support. 2022 Sportage arrives with more tech and convenience features, a simplified lineup highlighted by popular Nightfall Edition. For its final model year in domestic market South Korea, the current generation Sportage has gained a new gravity trim. The latest flavor of the compact crossover gets an assortment of dark exterior design accents in the same vein as those of the Mojave Gravity launched earlier this year. If you'd rather wait for a completely new Sportage, the 5th generation model will allegedly debut at the end of 2021. It is believed Kia had to push back the car's launch and is engineering the model with two wheelbase configurations, with the LWB model catering to markets where rear legroom is a priority. Logic tells us many of the oily bits will be sourced from the new Tucson, so expect turbocharged 1.6-liter gasoline and diesel engines with front and all-wheel drive as well as mild hybrid technology. Hyundai offers the revamped Model 6-speed manual and 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmissions, and plans to sell a plug-in hybrid with an electrified 1.6-liter delivering a combined 261 horsepower.
Subscribe to Auto TV.